Some people were made for desk jobs. You were built for something different. You like to be where the work really happens. In the field. In the moment. When something needs fixing, you're the one who gets the call. As a field service pro with ALMACO, you're more than just support. You're the go-to. The one who keeps seed research operations running smoothly. You solve problems with your hands, your mind, and a whole lot of grit. And here's the thing, this job, it takes you around the world. 6 continents. From the Midwest to South America. From Europe to Australia. If there's seed research happening, ALMACO is there. And so are you. Not always easy. Every day throws something new at you. But that's the job. Hydraulic, electrical, mechanical. You bring the know-how, the tools, and the drive to make it work. You take pride in what you do. You keep people going. And in this line of work, that means everything. This isn't just a job. It's a way of life. Ready to roll?